Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and this week we're going to talk about one of our features of the Steam decoder called wheel slip. Now, in years past, we've had the ability to set up an articulated locomotive, which is the sound of two sets of drivers running in and out of sync with each other. And in that point, the wheel slip has been defined as the speed at which the two drivers will go in and out of sync with each other. You can do that at none, slow, medium, or fast. But now with Tsunami2, we've actually added an extra function, function 19, and this allows you to simulate a wheel slip. And this is the sound, in this case, of the wheels losing traction with the track and breaking loose, quickly gassing the throttle. The engineer then quickly backs the throttle off and then reapplies the throttle. Let's check it out. So this locomotive, we're going to move forward at about speed step 5. And while it's starting to accelerate, I'm going to push function 19. And you can kind of hear how the locomotive has broken loose, and then you hear the throttle back off as the engineer regains the control of the locomotive and then gently reapplies the throttle. Now, a little fun fact for you, while we were working on the Tsunami2, we actually had toyed with the idea of actually goosing the motor so that the drivers would break loose as well, so that way you had the sound in conjunction with the motion of the drivers. The downside was we actually remembered something called traction tires and realized that that probably wouldn't be a good idea because the rubber tires on the track would then force our locomotive to slightly jerk. And so we decided now that it's just a sound effect. Now this is something that's been in all Tsunami2 decoders, so be sure to check it out. For more information, please visit our website at SoundTraxx.com and check out the user's guide and see all the cool things that we built into the Tsunami2.